Break. What does this break means? Break is used to terminate from the loop. In order to understand what does it really mean, let's consider one example. Suppose we need to write a program which allows user to enter integers until he or she enters a negative number or a zero. Let's open up the code blocks in order to understand how do we able to write a program for this. Here is the program which allows user to enter integers until he or she enters a negative number or zero. Here I have declared a variable n and I ask a user to enter a number. Then after that user enters a number. Then I check a condition whether the number entered is equals to 0 or not. If it is equals to 0, we come out of this loop. And if it is not equals to 0, then we stay in this loop and continue to execute the rest of the statements. After checking this condition, we come inside this loop if n is not equals to 0. We check this condition that if n is less than 0, then we simply break. Otherwise, we continue to execute these two statements. Now what does it really mean? Break simply means we come out of this loop. If we encounter break, we simply come out of this loop. No matter what is written after that. The rest of the statements which are written after that will not get evaluated. If you encounter break, the rest of the statements will not get evaluated. Please note down this point. Here suppose if n is less than 0, then break will be encountered and we simply come outside of this loop. Now let's execute this code. It asks us to enter a number. Suppose we enter 9, we hit enter. Then it asks us to again enter a number. Suppose now we enter 89. We again hit enter and it asks us to enter a number again. Suppose we enter negative 9. We hit enter and we come out of the loop. This is because n less than 0 condition is satisfied as minus 9 is less than 0. Therefore, break will get evaluated and we simply come outside of this loop. Right? This is what break is all about.